Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I'll tell you that I face a problem that whenever I use multiple monitors in my Windows 11 PC, there is a bug. I will tell you that. Normally, we are setups our multiple monitors by clicking right click, then go to display settings. Then we can simply choose here. You can see here extended this display. Click that and you can simply select what kind of settings you need, like duplicate display, extend this display, show only one, show only two. So I settings here, then it will be automatically revert my settings. It is a bug, actually does not do that. So it is always revert that to normal duplicate display. So we are using multiple displays for like extended display for using multi-purpose, but it's actually a bug in Windows 11 that is caused to revert automatically to duplicate display settings. So how to fix that? Simply press Windows button, then P, okay? Then you will get this section and I select extended. So that way I can simply turn off my I can easily set up this to as extended display without revert it. So if you are facing the same problems that whenever you are setting to extended display and it automatically back to normal duplicate display within seconds, you can fix that problem by pressing Windows key plus P, then select extended. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorials, comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.